Happy New Year! Welcome 2026 and welcome back to my travel diary. The Christmas tree has been put away and we're slowly preparing the house for Sinulog. But I hope you all had a lovely festive season. This video is steering away from Japan, a bit of a throwback to mid-December when I was invited as a +1 to an overnight stay, kindly gifted by the Solea Reef Resort and the team. Hello. Thank you. Yes! My slippers! I don't know why, but slippers, a hairdryer, and cups by the sink make me so happy. When I enter into a hotel room, I feel like these are underrated amenities, and whenever a place has them, I always appreciate it. To get to the beach from our room was 3 stories down. It rained quite a bit while we were unpacking, and the skies remained cloudy all afternoon. It can't be performative. Looks cute. Wow!
Where should we stay? Here?
This one is nice. Thank you. Okay. Frozen, thank you. What am I eating? From the sea?
Shakes. You want some shake? Or
Sure.
buko? I say coconut rapid. Since we're not drinking alcohol.
Why are you not drinking? After our Japan trip, I went straight into office Christmas parties, friend gatherings, Christmas markets, and other Christmas events, which I'm not complaining about. It's the best time of the year. But guys, festive burnout is real. And as it turns out, a relaxing getaway with a friend was exactly what I needed.
Sorry, nangilog.
Thank you. Cheers.
Gusto mo cocktail, ma'am?
Behave mirror.
Not a smooth transition into dinner. We did freshen up and got changed after the pool.
Bon appetito.
You may have noticed that this trip is part relaxation, part food trip. Rightly so, because the food here is delicious. And although I didn't get strong SIM card signal, the resort Wi-Fi is excellent. Yes, that's me. Miraculously, I woke up bright-eyed and bushy-tailed at 7 a.m. for one last swim before checkout. Okay. The beach looks really nice today. It's very peaceful, very tranquil. The boats will just coast along. It looks really nice. I have here a fruit platter and my hot chocolate. Bon appetit. So far, a beautiful morning in Solea Reef. Refreshed and rejuvenated, ready for the rest of December. Thank you, Becca, for inviting me, and thanks again to the Solea Reef Resort and the team for inviting us.
Wow! Hangin lang sa amin.
Wow! That's so nice! Wow! After checkout, we made a pit stop at Lakeside Camp in Mabini, which is a gorgeous campsite by the lake. Wow! We were not camping. We walked around, took some photos, of course.
Picture ko pa, babe.
Nothing beats sunlight as the best lighting when capturing photos and videos. Also had time to play around with a zoom on my phone, which you will see now. As it was a hot and humid afternoon, we drank buko juice from one of the few cellars at the camp. I even had gub gub, mostly because I couldn't remember the last time I had one. Then we arrived at Carmen, rested a bit, and somehow managed to convince two teenagers to join us in visiting the light installations right by the church. Ta-da! After walking around and taking photos, we passed by street food, which we couldn't say no to. I ate a fair share. I'm home! So it is 35 past 7. I need to leave at 10 to the airport to get Vienna. I have a lot on my list. Firstly, I need to unpack. That is my bag from the weekend, and it's already half open and stuff are already spilling out of the suitcase. I also have a few packages here behind the tree. It just needs to get put away. And then I have this to put away. And oh, I forgot. I also need to wrap a few presents that I didn't manage to wrap before I left for Bohol. So I'll want to wrap them tonight before she arrives. Let's see how fast everything gets done. They've remained outside, but putting away groceries, 14 minutes, 15 minutes. Not bad, right? On to the next task. Ready? Go. Daily essentials are still out, but technically everything that has been in the luggage has been put in its rightful place. It has been 17 minutes. Now to tackle the packages. 8 minutes. I've had my dinner break. It is now 9:18, and the only thing left that I need to do is wrap. More importantly, wrap the presents for Vienna, just so she won't see. I don't think I'll time myself wrapping. I'll just enjoy the moment. I'm watching a Zoella vlog, which of course I am, and that's my evening. Good night. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the next video, also to make me accountable to start editing it. It is one of the most magical New Year's I've ever had, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. Thanks for watching. Bye.